Hello. Welcome to our English class. Today we are going to the airport. Traveling is fun, but we need English to talk to people. Let's learn how to check in and go through security. What is the problem with Julia's suitcase? Julia is at the airport. She is going to London. First, she goes to the check-in desk. Then, she goes to security. Good morning. Welcome to the airport. Where are you flying today?
Good morning, Alex. I am flying to London.
To London? Wow, that is a very long flight. May I see your passport, please?
Yes, of course. Here is my passport.
Thank you. Let me check your name. Okay, Julia. You are on the flight to London. Are you checking any bags?
Yes, I have one suitcase, just one big suitcase.
Please put your suitcase on the scale. Put it right here, please.
Okay, Alex. I will put it on the scale.
Oh, wait a moment. There is a small problem.
A problem? Oh no, what is the problem?
I'm apologetic. Your suitcase is too heavy. It is 25 kilograms.
25 kilograms? Is that too much?
Yes, the limit is 20 kilograms. 20 kilograms is the limit. Your bag is 5 kilograms over the limit.
Oh no, I am so sorry. What can I do?
You can pay an extra fee, or you can take some things out.
How much is the extra fee?
The extra fee is $50.
$50? That is very expensive. I will take some things out. Please, wait 1 minute.
No problem at all. You can open your bag right here.
Okay, I will take out my heavy coat. Excuse me. I will take out these heavy books too. Now, let's try again.
Let's see. 19 kilograms. Clapping. Happy. 19 kilograms is perfect.
Oh, thank goodness. Thank you for your help, Alex.
Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is gate B12.
Gate B12. What time is my flight?
Your flight is at 10:30 a.m. Boarding starts at 10 a.m.
Thank you so much.
Hello again, Julia. Please put your bags in the bin. Put your phone and keys in the bin, too.
Okay, Alex. Here is my bag. Here is my phone.
Do you have a laptop? Please take your laptop out of the bag.
Oh, yes. I have a laptop. I will take it out now.
Thank you. Do you have any water? You cannot take water through security.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I have a bottle of water in my bag. Can I drink it now?
Yes, you can drink it or throw it away.
I will just throw it away. Is there anything else?
Please take off your shoes and your belt.
My shoes too? Okay, I will take off my shoes.
Now, please walk through the machine.
Okay. Oh no! Why is it beeping?
It's okay. Do you have anything in your pockets?
Let me check. Oh, I have some coins in my pocket. I am so sorry, Alex. I forgot.
It's okay. Put the coins in the bin and walk through again.
Okay, let's try one more time.
Perfect. You are all set. With a big wave. Have a safe flight.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
What was the problem with Julia's suitcase? Tell us the answer in the comments. Did you enjoy this lesson? Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. It helps us make more videos for you. See you in the next lesson. Good luck with your English.